Hello, today I'm going to show you how to work with whole number exponents. The problem I'll be looking at is 5 to the third. The 5 is called the base number. This is the number that will be what is multiplied. The 3 is what is called an exponent, and this is the number of times that the base, in this instance 5, is being multiplied by itself. The exponent is always written as a small number to the top right of the base number. This can be read as either 5 to the third, 5 to the power of 3, or 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. When it is written like this, it is called an exponential form. It can also be written as 5 times 5 times 5. This is expanded form. To solve 5 to the third, we can first write it out in expanded form, 5 times 5 times 5, and then multiply it in stages. First, we can multiply 5 times 5, which is 25, and then multiply 25 by the remaining 5. So I will do this in a standard vertical method. You can also do it in a lattice or box method, whichever you are familiar and or comfortable with. So 5 times 5 is 25, so we bring down the 5 and carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the carried 2 is 12. We get 125. So 5 to the power of 3 equals 125. Another example of this is 4 to the power of 6. This can also be written as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. We will also solve this one in stages. So first you can multiply the first two 4s, then multiply the second set of 4s, and finally the third. Each 4 times 4 is equal to 16, so our new problem is 16 times 16 times 16. Now we can multiply the first two 16s together, and I will again do this with a vertical method. So 16 times 16. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 6 times 1 equals 6, plus the carried 3 is 9. Then we bring down a 0, cross out this carried 3 so we don't get confused. And 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add. And 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15, so we bring down the 5 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we can take this number, 256, times 16. I'm also going to do this in a standard vertical method. So 256 times 16. 6 times 6 is 36, so we bring down the 6. Carried 3. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Bring down a 0, cross out these. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 2 is 2. Then we add these. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we bring down the 0, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 to the power of 6 equals 4,096. And there we have it. Exponents can be confusing, but as long as you remember that 7 to the second is 7 times 7 and not 7 times 2, and follow these instructions for any small number exponents, you will do just fine. Thank you.